Some household items, like comforters, sheets, and table linens, can overwhelm your home washing machine, making them extremely difficult to clean. For all your comforters, blankets, sheets, duvets, tablecloths, napkins, and much more, Janet Davis Cleaners will have your items cleaned, ironed, and delivered right to your home, ready for another great night of sleep. Family owned and operated since 1938, Janet Davis Cleaners has kept Metro Detroit's household items clean for generations, with unparalleled service and a commitment to excellence. Our professional machines provide an odor-free, environmentally friendly cleaning process that keeps your items fresh and free of any spots or stains, while clearing comforters and sheets of any allergens. We'll even sanitize your hard-to-clean pillows. After cleaning, we'll iron your table and bed linens, giving you a smooth surface for your dining room table and the clean, fresh feeling of sleeping on a cloud. We understand the investment you've made when it comes to your household items, and we'll clean and prepare your linens, duvets, comforters, and sheets as if they were our own. That commitment to excellent service is why we're proud members of the Dry Cleaning and Laundry Institute and the Michigan Cleaning Association. Delivery is available throughout the Metro Detroit area, or stop by our store on iconic Woodward Avenue in Berkeley. Rest easy knowing your household items have been cleaned and treated with the utmost care at Janet Davis Cleaners.